Chipotle chicken with sweet and spicy pinto beans dinner. Hello everyone, I'm Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Discover the vibrant flavors of adobo marinated grilled chicken paired with sweet and spicy pinto beans. It's a delightful mix of tomato, honey, garlic, and pickled jalapenos. Truly a fiesta in every bite, and I'll show you how to make them. Pat the chicken dry. You can use chicken breasts or boneless, skinless thighs. I'm butterflying the breast so it grills more evenly. And then in a large bowl, make the marinade with chipotle peppers, onion powder, minced garlic, oregano, paprika, cumin, garlic powder, brown sugar, lime juice, salt, and black pepper. Give that a good mix. And then add the chicken and mix well. Marinate that for at least 15 minutes. Onto the stove, let's make the beans real quick. So over medium heat, you want to heat up the avocado oil. Add a finely diced sweet onion, a little bit of salt, and 2 teaspoons of garlic. Saute that till it's glassy looking, and then add paprika, cumin, and garlic powder. Saute that for a minute. Add tomato paste. Saute that, and you can see we're developing a fond on the bottom of the pan to develop more flavor. Add the pinto beans, honey, and then we're going to add the water. So that the water will release the fond from the bottom of the pan. Half a bouillon cube, and give that a good mix. Now we're going to bring this to a simmer for 15 minutes uncovered. It'll start to get thicker and thicker and develop the flavors. Then adjust the seasonings after 15-20 minutes, and then add some pickled jalapenos. I put in 20 grams. That's the equivalent of 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapenos, and cook a little bit longer if you want to. And then I'm grilling the chicken, or that's my husband grilling the chicken. You can also use a grill pan inside or a fry pan. And the dinner comes together really easily. It's beautiful. It's delicious. I hope you give it a try. Recipes and more at robinandwillow.com. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.